Senior Psychology Secrets: Understanding and Improving Brain Health. As a doctor, I've spent countless hours working with seniors. Today, we're diving into 5 fascinating tips and tricks that can boost your brain power and keep your mind sharp. Let's jump right in with our top 5 secrets for a healthier, happier brain. We humans are social creatures. But did you know that having a vibrant social life can actually protect your brain from decline? Engaging in conversations, sharing stories, and navigating social situations require your brain to work, process information, and adapt. Think of your social interactions as brain gym sessions. Every chat with a friend, every game night with the family, it all adds up to a healthier brain. Whether it's chatting with friends over coffee, joining a book club, volunteering, or video calls with family, every interaction counts. Remember that time you had a hearty laugh with a friend? That was a workout for your brain. So make time for the people you love, reach out to someone new, and don't underestimate the power of a simple conversation. Your brain will thank you for it. If you're feeling isolated, remember that even small steps count. Join an online forum, take a class, or strike up a conversation with someone at the grocery store. Our brains are incredible in their capacity to learn and grow no matter our age. Every time you learn something new, you're creating new pathways in your brain. Whether it's picking up a new language, trying out a musical instrument, or exploring a new hobby, every new skill builds new neural connections. These connections strengthen your brain, making it more adaptable and resilient to age-related decline. Think of your brain as a tree, and each new skill as a branch that makes the tree stronger. Studies have shown that learning to dance can significantly improve brain health. The combination of physical activity, coordination, and mental stimulation is like a powerful cocktail for your brain. So why not sign up for that salsa class or dust off that old guitar? Challenge yourself and watch your brain thrive. Chapter 3: Healthy Eating, Fuel Your Brain. You've heard the saying, "You are what you eat," right? Well, your brain is no exception. It needs the right nutrients to function at its best. Foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals provide the energy and building blocks your brain needs to thrive. They help protect against cognitive decline and keep your brain sharp. Fill it with high-quality fuel like berries, nuts, fish, and leafy greens to keep it running smoothly. These foods are packed with brain-boosting nutrients that can improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. Blueberries, for example, are often called brain berries because they are packed with antioxidants that help protect your brain cells from damage. And don't forget about the importance of hydration. Water is essential for brain function, so make sure you're drinking plenty of fluids throughout the day. Chapter 4: Stay mentally active. Use it or lose it. Just like your body, your brain needs regular exercise to stay sharp. Engaging in mentally stimulating activities regularly is like giving your brain a daily workout. Puzzles, reading, writing, playing strategy games like chess or bridge, learning a new language. These are all fantastic ways to keep your mind sharp. Regularly engaging in mentally stimulating activities can actually delay the onset of cognitive decline and diseases like Alzheimer's. So challenge yourself with brain teasers, engage in lively discussions, and never stop learning. Chapter 5: Stress less, relax your mind. In our fast-paced world, stress can feel like a constant companion, but chronic stress can wreak havoc on your brain, leading to memory problems and difficulty concentrating. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial for maintaining a healthy brain. Practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, spending time in nature, and even just taking a few minutes each day to unwind can make a world of difference. Whether it's a walk in the park, listening to calming music, or practicing mindfulness, prioritize your mental well-being. Keep your brain happy. To recap: stay social, keep learning, eat healthily, stay mentally active, and stress less. These simple secrets can make a world of difference in your brain health. Which of these secrets will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more brain-boosting tips. Until next time, take care and keep your brain happy.